Alright. We are live, people. We're live. Big day. Big day today. Guys, today is a massive day. Massive day. Huge day today. We begin officially to trade funded accounts. I believe this is ready. I believe that today is a great day to begin so, and to try to achieve the very first payout with the funded accounts. However long it takes, we're gonna be achieving a payout. All we need is discipline, extreme discipline, and self-control, and everything will be fine. 10 minutes before the market opens officially. I already have the trade copier on it. Yesterday I wasn't live, mentally preparing for today. So whoever is live now, come and join. We are doing this live, boys. Live. We're gonna be doing this. Watch. Funded accounts are active and running. 6 PA accounts right here, alongside with an eval account, plus 6 PA accounts. Oh, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 PA accounts. And we got 14 contracts because we got 1 contract. 2 contracts. 2 micro contracts per account. I believe every single one is, yeah, everything is MNQ. Otherwise I'd be worried. I certainly don't want a full mini yet. No. Gonna be looking on my PA accounts just to make sure, you know. I have 14 micros here. 14. Very tempted to get long here. But right now we're gonna be waiting for a plan. We push so hard on the daily chart. Who's in the chat? Yo, what's up everybody? Yesterday it was Monday. Not so much action yesterday. Not really a lot of things. I haven't traded yesterday. No, I haven't. I have not traded. Alright, let's go back to TradingView here. Let's go back to TradingView. We need to do only what makes sense. Keep in mind, we're only going to take the best of the best setups with the funded accounts. And I will showcase what it means to be truly disciplined in trading. We can do this! We can do it. Trading 6 funded accounts live. Here we are. Here we freaking are. Do not get long. Do not get short. Wait for the market to tell you what to do. Holy moly. We're gonna shut the camera. We're gonna shut the camera 2 minutes before the market opens, just to make sure that my screens don't lag. Otherwise, I'm gonna get screwed. So we're gonna keep the losses small as we can, like as small as we possibly can. And by that I mean we're gonna be aiming for the largest wins and for the smallest losses. That's the aim. And here's another thing: we're gonna be tightening our stop loss up, right? So I want to risk, instead of $80, my max risk per trade will be 80. But my usual risk, I want to be maybe 70. So that's what I want. 70, 70, 75, 70, 65, even less if I can. Oh, big day today, eh? 5 minutes till market opens. Let's examine it. You know, guys, I'm gonna be attempting to, again, get in tune with the markets, read them, make the money and get the hell out. So if you cannot read the markets well, get out. That's my advice to all of you. Can't read the market, get your ass out. That's the point. That's the point. Get your ass out. We're trading 6 funded accounts plus 1 eval account. Officially. 2 micro contracts on each account, with a risk of $70 per account, in an attempt to make 150 or more. That's the risk. All settled out for you, boys. All laid out. 4 minutes. Let's begin the plan, boys. Let's begin the plan. We are in dire need to begin the plan right now. We are up and ready. Okay, so let's examine the daily chart. We made a bull flag yesterday. We had a good old push all the way again near at the all-time highs there. We pulled back. Now we're in the middle of this daily candle here, like a doji. So much I'll be willing to take a little bit of a break. Like I'm not gonna trade today. I'm just gonna see if we get a good setup. But on the daily chart, regardless, sooner or later we're gonna have a very large pullback to the downside. Sooner or later, maybe back here into the 300s. However, today I want to just watch and be attentive to the market. Now on the hourly chart, we look like we did something like into the 62s here, kind of like a higher low here, as you can see. Maybe wants to put again back up there, but I just want to see because this looks choppy. Looks very choppy. Okay, so 15-minute chart here looks very bullish. 5-minute charts have the view up, but not making that beautiful structure as we want it. Making this, it's almost as if it's getting pulled down. On the 1-minute chart, we look like we can push, but could do better. But I just want to wait and see. The ES as well looks like we're doing this bear flag to attempt to crack towards the 700s there. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be taking a trade unless it's really juicy. It really looks good. But for now, I just want to wait and see. If we get below the 800s, I would say I want to be attempting a short. Like I want to see a setup forming below the 800s. If we're going to be bullish, then I just want to set up and this staying above the 800s. That's the only way. Time to shut down the camera. Y'all saw my face. I hope it's clear. I'm gonna shut it down, and now we're gonna begin the trading. We're gonna begin like the stream. Huge day, huge. So that's the plan. Below the 800s, I'll be looking for a short, executing on that, and above the 800s, I'll be looking for a long setup. So come on, Delta looks heavy. Delta looks heavy. Just be patient. We gotta be patient. As you can see, the 35 range chart looking quite like it looks good, but I'm all non-stop gonna be watching the ES here. The ES is pushing, probably so will the Nasdaq. Just wait and see. See, that's why you don't get long unless the market's really showing you from all time frames that it has an ability to push. Let's see. "40 seconds, like the stream, come on. We're not gonna be degenning here. It's 14 micros for two micro contracts per account. Okay, ES starts pushing above this 25 level. I want to see what happens. Oh lordy lord, look at the ES. Lordy lord, look at the ES. Let's just wait for a setup. Be patient for as long as needed. No trades taken, as you can see. No trades. Do it make sense? Oh my lord! What was that fake out? Oh, look at down there. 800s. Straight back up. What a wild day, boys. We're wilding. Okay, I'm actually just stupid. Like, I don't know why I'm talking like this, man. I'm either very excited to trade my funded accounts, or I'm genuinely like bamboozled of what the market's doing. Dip down there below the 800s, looking good for a short. Bro, the ES needs to go. ES needs to go. I'm gonna be watching this like a hawk. Gonna be watching this like a hawk. We're picking the view up on. ES is chopping around the view up. Logically trade the markets, boys. Logically trade the market. Don't emotionally trade the market. Ever. Don't do that. Stupid. Stupid. Maybe this very choppy is gonna be like, you know what I mean? I mean, the ES is holding up here. Oof, 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 oof. Taking out all the stops. Eesh. ES is going nowhere. Might be just a very choppy week. Oh my lord, holy. Why is the ES did the same yesterday. Yesterday the Nasdaq kept pushing. I'm gonna try looking for the chart. The ES yesterday. Okay, yeah, yesterday the ES all day it dumped. What the Nasdaq pushed. I don't get it. This is stupid. I really, really don't get it. The ES yesterday chopped so bad. Yeah, it dumped. It literally dumped. Right now, yes, all day the Nasdaq is going up. Huh? Right now, I wouldn't trust the ES to be doing, to be leading the Nasdaq. What's in here? Look at this. Oh my God! Look at this. Ah! This is insane. The ES looking like it's following. Now it's following. But this is super scary when it does this. Super scary. Regardless. So now I want to see like a bear flag building itself up, you know. Okay, yes, going down as well. Trying to make new lows on the day. Maybe we can push up here, re-push into the 676s. I don't know. I don't know, man. This type of day is sketchy. If you can't read the market correctly, don't trade. Wait out. Okay. There's a push up there. There's like a push. You know, kind of like would be looking good if we could push them up here 87s. Much more convincing pullback, you know, than just let's wait it out. Let's see what the market does. Trust the markets. Don't trust your feelings. Trust your market. Trust the markets, not the feeling. The feelings can be wrong. The market's always correct. You follow the market, you do not make the market. Genuinely, I'm gonna need this to pull back higher. Like, genuinely. I'm gonna be watching on the higher time frames here. Higher time frames, potentially get a short. This short here. From the 80s down there, 35 points. I mean, there it is. There's like a little dump. Little dumper. So hard to like see. So hard to see the markets today for some reason. I don't know why. From the 80s down there to the 44s. I think that was a full, let's see, from the 80s down there to the 44s. Yeah, that would have been a full top. That would have been a full-on take profit right there. The price is going. Like, I can definitely see it going. Ha. How's everyone doing in the chat? Nasdaq dumping. Today is a good day to train your patience to wait it out, honestly. I told you, below the 800s we go. Below the 800s we could go, but the place, the price action, just the overall price action is just stupid. It's not giving anything. Haven't taken a single trade yet. Can't believe this. This is insane. Now we need like a good setup. We need like a solid setup. Look at this. This is so sketchy. How's everyone doing in the chat? How's everyone doing in the chat? My internet recently been ass. Just so you guys know. It's been ass. Absolutely ass. Where are we? Where are we? Hitting a pivot point on the QQQ. See how this markets are doing. Let's just see. Let's wait and see. See how I close on this candle, 3-minute candle here. Keeping my eyes on it. If we close like this, I don't even know. We might expect a new one pulling upward. I don't even know where I want this to pull. I just want a setup, like even a bear flag at this point would be great. Unless it's that type of day. How's everyone doing in the chat? Everyone doing well? As you can see, we're waiting for this type of setup to form itself out, and then we can snipe it in. For now, I think the ES is also like consolidating more than Nasdaq. Unless it's that type of day where one candle up and then I straight down again. Okay, there it is. There was a fake out to the downside, trapping in the shorts. There it is. There it is. I don't. The ES looks scary, man. Scary, scary, scary. So scary. Oh, Jesus, good lord. Don't do this, man. Don't do this. Fuck. The ES. Damn, brother. Let me short. This looks good for a short, man. Good lord. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Don't tell me this is gonna start ripping back up. See? What I tell you. Up after chop, man. Fuck off. The ES, man. I only want to fuck the... Talking too much trash. What is this? What? That is insane. That is crazy. What? So happy I did not take any trades. What? What's this supposed to mean? What? Look at the ES. Bro's just ripping. That is stupid. Bro's just going. He just doesn't care. Yeah, goddamn, brother. Now the Nasdaq's following because, of course, the ES just like popped above the 710s here. Of course, this is gonna be dragged. It's gonna be one of those days, eh? Alright. I'm not putting any trades and I'm not giving you any money, bro. I'm not giving the market any money today. Okay, but dang, bro. It's doing dirty. Let me watch on the 30 time frame on the ES. Yes, honestly, this guy also looks good for another push. How can you ever trust the ES? The ES is the one that's moving like crap today. I can't do crap on it. It's like, dude, it's crazy. It's crazy. Okay, if I would say pull back down, pull back a little lower on the ES. However, seeing as this went back up into the 800s, I don't know if I'm so comfy getting long here. ES is back above. Where we got stuck here, the ES then pulled back. Pushing through the 800s. Gonna have to wait some more. Gonna have to wait and see. I'm gonna be very, very careful with how what we're gonna do here. I do not want to fuck around and find out. What is this? What is going on here? Okay, I'm checking the time frames. Yes, going back down here. Gonna try a short. Visit the lows there. Gonna keep my stop in the 80s. Be patient for it. Should this little thing run through there, I believe we can just go, you know. There it goes. There it goes. There you go, down there in the 38s. Be happy to take it there. And in here, I'm willing to hold this for as long as I need to. Now we're just gonna stop touching the screens. Stop me break even, bro. Oh my lord, what? What? Oh my days. We're in the middle of this range. Stopped out break even. Not much done. Only 92 cents profit. Only $1 profit, bro. $1 profit, bro. Ah, brother. What is this? What is this? What? This little fucker. This little fucker. Yeah, yo! Holy moly! What was that? Whoa! I'm glad I wasn't in it. Holy moly, what? My days! What is this? It just like washed through there. Do we even have news or something? What is this? I cannot, bruv. Just wow. Just wow. Anyone saw that? Stop me out, break even to insane. Quite literally go. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm done trading for today. One trade and one done. I don't want this to turn into something. What do we got here? PA Apex. Let me see. What do we got there? 242. Yeah, it's not bad. We kind of got. This is stupid. I really don't understand what this is, dude. Oh my lord. If I kept my stop in, it's fine. Look at this wick now. We're pulling above this. So getting short now is probably going to be a doom sentence. Stop trading for today. We're not getting the setups that we want. The price action is just really... Look at these. Okay, I'm going to stop trading. Good job. Well done, everybody. If you survive today, for tomorrow, great. Keep it that. Keep it simple. Now I'm gonna switch the charts here because I don't want to trade anymore. I don't want to trade this anymore. This doesn't smell good to me. And it's not just a feeling, it's just based on what I see. It doesn't smell good. Today we're ending up with $1 profit on all counts. Dude, I love it. Classic. I mean, look at this. It's time that I think these days we're gonna have a deeper pullback. We're gonna have something like this happen. 1, 2, and 3. You understand? A deeper pullback. I mean, this looks like that. It happened on shorter time frames, and when we fail to break above the previous high, we tend to pull back even lower. But right now, look at this minute chart. Look at these. Looking good for a pullback here, but just take a look. The ES is screwing with us. It's a whole chop. I'm surprised that we even survived today. The Nasdaq isn't so choppy. It's definitely headed down, but I do not want to wait and see what happens here. So yeah, I mean, I'm very happy for today. Break even, basically. Hit it, you know. No losses, just $1 profit. $1 profit, bro. No. This is so bad, bro. I mean, this really went even lower. This went into the 22s here. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that every single order is cancelled. And I'm gonna take the group out. I'm gonna deactivate the group and go on every single tiny group. I'm gonna easily do on every single PA Apex account just to make sure that I have no leftover orders. Because this is definitely, holy cow, this is dangerous. It's definitely set to take your account more than to make you money today. So let's wait for actual epic days, boys. We're here to wait for good days where we actually were printing. Do you understand? We're here to print. Look at this, man. I don't think there's any news, is there? US Jolt's job Because right now, though, we're having it, but no actual movement. Trump makes an announcement in 1 hour. Nike earnings call at 11. Trump signs executive orders at 9 o'clock. Yeah, no, I'm not having this, man. I'm gonna keep yo, but today was kind of good, you know, making $1 profit. Kind of good. I'm gonna leave this guys a little more, like usual, 10 minutes. But hey, celebrate yourselves if you survive today. And I'm actually gonna move my ass away from here. And I'm just gonna disconnect. I'm gonna double check if my accounts don't have any orders left. If this guy keeps staying stuck under the 800s, it's no good news. Just so you know. The ES just made new highs. Immediately pull back right back under. That's it. I think I've ran through every single account here. Make sure that my orders were all closed. Now we're just gonna close trade of 8. And so I'm gonna relight my stuff up. Great shit, boys. We have survived today and made it's a break-even day. $1 profit on all accounts. This could have went really well. We could have made 100 plus on each of them if we kept on that thing, but it just doesn't smell good today. You know, it doesn't smell good. It's best to have your stop at break-even rather than to lose unnecessary money. Just stay disciplined. Just stay disciplined. Keep the losses small. You know, end up break even, you know. Just wait for good days. That's why we're here. Stay safe, guys. I'm gonna be seeing you guys tomorrow morning for Wednesday. Wild Wednesdays, boys. Wild Wednesday. And yeah, well, I'm gonna let the stream open another like 10 minutes or so. With some nice music on it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop trading because this doesn't smell good. So I'm gonna go on YouTube and take a nice music for you guys. Yeah, drop a like. Thank you guys so much for 51 subs. Let's get to 100 subs. Let's go. Oh shit, M still plays. Hello, man. Long time no see. All right, I'm gonna let the stream run up for 10 more minutes. Let me see here. I want a nice music. Nice music. What can I actually put you guys as music? I have my playlist here, but I just want to make sure you guys are vibing as well. Yeah, XD. Yeah, bro, did not join in a while. But alright, let's put some nice music in and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow morning. That's the important thing. You wait for smashing days, boys. Smash it. Oh! Where is my music? Ah, here it is. So yeah, let's see. Alright, boys, I'll be seeing you guys in a bit. Alright, boys. Time to quit the stream and come back tomorrow and be patient for another day. We will have much better stuff coming towards us. Let's go for Wild Wednesdays. All 6 funded accounts survived and they're more than great. Let's go. Stay safe and peace to the Middle East, boys. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Peace to the